Which planet is known as the red planet? The answer is Mars. The other name of Mars is Hebreo. Which musician is known as the king of rock and roll? The answer is Elvis Presley, 1935 to 1977. Who painted the famous painting The Starry Night? Vincent van Gogh is the answer. What is the largest mammal on Earth? Blue whale. Which element is the lightest in the periodic table? Answer is hydrogen. Who wrote the famous novel To Kill a Mockingbird? American author Harper Lee published in 1960. Which country is home to the ancient city of Petra? Answer is Hashemite, king of Jordan. Who was the first president of United States? George Washington on April 30, 1789. What is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Bill Gates. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury. Okay, these were the questions and now you will see here the numbers through which you can join our WhatsApp group. Plus you can also prepare through these WhatsApp groups your initial test and Issb test, and the notes are also readily available, updated notes through which you can easily prepare your test confidently, and you can appear in the your initial test and Issb too. These notes are available and you can contact through these numbers easily, and it's free. And when you want to join these WhatsApp group, these will be very beneficial for yourself, because over here updated notes are going to be shared, questions will be shared, and secondly you can join our selective academy also. You can contact through these numbers, and after then details will be given to you people. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.